HTEC provides some of the world's leading retailers with EPOS, loyalty and payment solutions. We have over 35 years experience of providing these solutions, including large UK supermarkets, all the way down to some of the smaller convenience stores such as Londis. The security is absolutely key to HTEC in everything we do here. We process over 7 billion transactions annually, and we need to ensure that every single one of those is kept secure, not only in rest but also in transit through our networks. The challenges we had initially were the legacy ASA platform reaching its end of life, and also, very importantly for us, compliance. So we reached out to Cisilion to supply and install the next range of Cisco ASA and next generation firewalls, which include the firepower services, to give us a good all-round security posture against threats. So the key benefits to HTEC is not only compliance but also security, to make sure that we are fully aware of any intrusions and any threats that may greet HTEC on any of our external or internal networks. We've gone beyond PCI DSS compliance to ensure we have a fully future-proof solution. Other benefits include reduced complexity and ultimately reduced costs for my team and also the rest of the HTEC business. We are very pleased with the performance of the next generation firewalls and the features offered by the firepower services, which will serve HTEC proud for many years to come. HTEC have been working with Cisilion for over 10 years on a variety of software and hardware deployments, including migrations from legacy PIX firewalls all the way through now to our next generation firewalls with firepower. We're extremely pleased with the professional services that Cisilion offers and also the support from the 24/7 Network Operations Centre. So HTEC are very keen to continue our relationship with Cisilion into the future, and at the moment we are exploring other projects across the business where Cisilion can play a key role in delivering superb service and quality to HTEC and the support of its customers.